Hello everybody. Welcome to this English listening practice video. You can use this video to train your listening and speaking. So today, I will speak about education. Education is one of the most powerful tools for shaping our future. It opens doors to opportunities, broadens our minds, and helps us grow as individuals. In this video, we will explore different aspects of education, from traditional learning to modern methods, and how education varies across the world. Education is more than just attending school. It is a lifelong journey. It helps us develop essential skills, such as problem solving, critical thinking, and communication. A good education can lead to better job opportunities and improve our quality of life. Many successful people emphasize the importance of continuous learning, whether through formal education, online courses, or self-learning. Gaining knowledge gives us confidence and prepares us for the future. Education has changed over the years. Traditional learning involves classrooms, textbooks, and direct interaction with teachers. While this method has been effective for centuries, modern education has introduced innovative approaches. Today, students have access to online learning platforms, virtual classrooms, and interactive content. These advancements make education more flexible and accessible. Many learners now use mobile apps, videos, and podcasts to gain knowledge anytime and anywhere. Learning effectively requires strategy. Here are some tips to learn anything faster. Practice active learning. Engage with the material by taking notes, summarizing, and discussing. Use multiple resources. Books, videos, and online courses can help reinforce learning. Teach others. Explaining concepts to someone else helps retain information better. Stay consistent. Learning a little every day is more effective than cramming. Different countries have unique education systems. Some focus on academic excellence, while others emphasize creativity and practical skills. For example, Finland has a student-centered system, with less homework and more interactive learning. Japan focuses on discipline and teamwork in education. The United States offers diverse educational opportunities, including online and self-paced learning. The rise of self-learning. With the internet, anyone can learn anything at their own pace. Many people are now choosing to learn new skills through YouTube, online courses, e-books, and podcasts. Self-learning allows individuals to explore their interests without the limitations of traditional schooling. Education is the key to personal and professional growth. Whether through traditional schools, modern technology, or self-learning, gaining knowledge is essential for success. The world is full of opportunities to learn. So, never stop exploring and improving your skills. That's it for today's episode. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and keep practicing. See you next time.